Here it is. Pretty big box. I forgot the dimensions on it, but pretty good size. You know when you have something that you always been wanting to use, but you didn't have a reason to use it? Make sure I gotta be real gentle. I don't know what's in there that might get cut up. Huge box. Start taking stuff out. Looks like this little small box is gonna be all the cables. Got the instructions, power bank. Looks like a mount. That's cool. Has a Bluetooth remote. Here's another mount for maybe cameras and the different frames for the light. So it looks like an amber, and then you have the white light. In this box, yeah, looks like you have a few levels to extend it up. Oh shit, am I doing this wrong? Well, right here it looks like you can probably go a little bit higher. Yeah, that's pretty ridiculous. That's more than enough height. I'm not gonna have to go that high. It's real sturdy, it's not flimsy. Yeah, the quality so far is pretty good. We're gonna open the ring light finally. This thing is pretty big. Basically, that's how big it is. Put this thing around my neck. You know, I have a GoPro head strap. I wonder if this would be a good time to use this. So I'm gonna give you all a quick walkthrough on how I put my ring light together. These are 4 of the outer parts, one of the lenses. You have the amber one and you have the clear white ones. So I'm going with the white ones. There's about 6 clicks on each of the 4 pieces. So once you line them up, make sure you push them down real tight until you hear their clicks. And there's 2 grooves on both sides. So you know it's like over and under on both sides of each of the white parts. Up next, you're gonna get this mount and you flip it over. There's 2 grooves on the back for you to slide the mount in. And this mount, it's like the base for the part that holds your phone or your camera, which is right here. So you can tighten this on there. It didn't really work for my GoPro. There's about a ½ inch space at the top. So if you want to put a GoPro in here, you might have to add something to it to kind of retrofit it. Now for the stand. So there's a little knob at the bottom to make sure everything's tight. For the ring light, there's 2 wheels. The one at the top kind of adjusts which way the light faces, and the one at the bottom tightens it to the stand. Here's where you connect the power outlet to the little cord hanging off. And once you come around to the back, you can turn on with the knob and you can go from really dim or really bright. So this is about, I would say 50%, but once I turn it up, Jesus Christ. And this is what it looks like with my phone on the inside. Any phone can pretty much fit on the mount. So if you wanted to look for the one that I got on Amazon, if you search ring light, I got the Neewer Ring Light set. They have 36 and 48 centimeters. I believe the one I have is the 48 because it's huge. So if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below for ideas that you might think I should try out. And I'll see you in the next video.